Did you know if you're a member in a meeting, any meeting, you can ask the presiding officer a question? This is your right as a member. In parliamentary law, this type of question would fall into one of two categories. A request for information can be used to ask general questions. For example, what is the current balance of the donations fund? Or who is currently serving on the nominating committee? Robert's Rules of Order says these types of questions are in order when another has the floor if they require immediate attention. This means you don't have to wait your turn because it's always in order to ask a question that requires immediate attention. If the question relates to the rules of the organization, it is called a parliamentary inquiry. Robert's Rules of Order says, it is the chair's duty to answer such questions when it may assist a member to make an appropriate motion, raise a proper point of order, or understand the parliamentary situation or the effect of a motion. This highlights why it's so important to know your rights in a meeting. You certainly don't have to know all the rules, but you should know your basic rights. That's why I designed the basic course on parliamentary law, so that you can learn how to confidently exercise your rights and get the most out of your meetings. The course uses animations, practical examples, and quizzes to bring you the information through a fun and interactive learning experience. In this video series, we'll cover everything you need to know to obtain exclusive control of the floor, to speak within the rules of debate, to make proper motions, to amend motions, and to fully understand the voting process. The course contains quotes from Robert's Rules of Order and references where each pertinent rule can be found. So click the link to the video series and start watching. I'll see you there.